Listen. Someone's coming. Someone noisy. It's Raa Raa. Hello, Raa Raa.
Hello.
Why are you running, Raa Raa? Are you in a hurry?
Yes, I'm in a big hurry. I'm going to Zebby's house. She's got a really important thing to show me. Bye.
Bye, Raa Raa.
Zebby? Zebby! Where are you?
Raa Raa! Over here!
Zebby! There you are! Where's the really important thing you want to show me?
Over there!
Huh? But I can't see anything.
That's because it's my favourite noise.
Favourite noise?
Yes, the noise I like best of all.
Oh.
You have to close your eyes and listen with your ears. Can you hear it?
Yes, a whooshy swooshy noise.
It's the wind blowing through the grass. It's my favourite noise. Do you have a favourite noise, Raa Raa?
No, I don't. But I want one. Come on, Zebby. Let's find my favourite noise.
Wait for me, Raa Raa.
Listen to the jungly sounds everywhere you go.
When you hear your favourite noise, that's when you will know.
Shh. I can hear. Did you hear that noise? Shh. There it is again. It's all bellowy.
Is it your favourite noise?
It might be. Come on, let's find out what it is. It's Huffty's doorbell.
Hello, Raa Raa. Hello, Zebby. What are you doing? We're looking for Raa Raa's favourite noise.
We heard a bellowy noise and followed it to you.
Ha! It was my doorbell. I've been cleaning it. It's my favourite noise in the whole of the Jingly Jangly Jungle. Listen.
It's a very nice noise. I don't think it's my favourite. Maybe we should look somewhere else.
I know. Why don't you look in the jungliest bit?
Good idea, Huffty.
We can go on my train.
Hooray!
Thank you, Huffty.
Toot toot! Listen to the jungly sounds everywhere you go.
When you hear your favourite noise, that's when you will know.
I can hear. Hello, Ooo Ooo.
What are you doing?
Raa Raa is looking for his favourite noise.
Favourite noise? Do you want to hear my favourite noise? It's...
Is a very noise, but I don't think it's my favourite. Maybe maybe I should look somewhere else.
Have you tried Rocky Rockyville? There are some good noises there.
That's a great idea, Ooo Ooo. Come on.
Toot toot!
Listen to the jungly sound everywhere you go.
When you hear your favourite noise, that's when you will know.
Toot toot! Toot toot! Once upon a time, there was a group of animals living in the jungle. They were the best of friends. One day, the friends all set off on an adventure together through the jungle, when suddenly they heard a tinkle-tonkle, tinkle-tonkle noise coming from beyond the trees. They wondered what the sound was, so they decided to find out what was making the tinkle-tonkle noise. The tinkle-tonkle...
Hi, Raa Raa. Hello, everyone. Hi, Crocky.
What are you all doing here?
I've come to listen to the noises here in Rocky Rockyville.
Raa Raa's looking for his favourite noise. The sound of pages turning. That's my favourite noise.
That's a flickety noise.
This is my favourite noise. Listen. Hey, it's the musical stones.
That's a musicy noise. But I don't think either of them is my favourite.
You look sad, Raa Raa. What's the matter?
I'm looking for my favourite noise, but I can't find it.
Why don't you have one last listen? Why are you laughing, Raa Raa?
Because I can hear my friends laughing.
Do you like that noise?
Like it? I love it! Roar! That's it! I found my favourite noise! I got it! My favourite noise! I know what it is! It's the noise of you all laughing. It's the best noise ever. Listen.
You sound so funny.
You all laughing. That's my favourite noise.
The Jingly Jangly Jungle has lots of great noises, but my favourite is Raa Raa laughing and playing with all his friends. All the animals are keen to wash away the sleep and look their best before they go out to play in the jungle. That's all the animals. Aren't you forgetting something, Raa Raa?
Oh, yes. I have to do my morning things.
That's right. First you wash.
Wubba wubba. And then I dry. Then I brush my teeth.
Yes, Raa Raa does the same things every morning, always finishing with a good old scratch on his post.
I love sharpening my claws. Oh no! My scratching post!
You must have worn it out, Raa Raa. What are you going to do now?
I'll use something else to sharpen my claws. That's not working.
I don't think so. Do you?
Morning, Raa Raa.
Oh, hello, Topsy. Hello, Zebby.
I brought this to show you.
Oh, thanks.
Raa Raa, stop! I bought this book to show you. It's my big book of hammocks. A hammock, see?
Sorry, I was trying to sharpen my claws. My scratching post is broken.
Well, why don't you find a new scratching post instead of scratching other people's books?
What a great idea!
Raa Raa, wait! Please may I borrow your hammock? I want to spend today lying in a hammock and Zebby is going to help me put it up.
I'll get it right away. Here it is. Happy hammocking.
Thanks, Raa Raa. Bye.
Are you going to have breakfast now, Raa Raa?
Oh, no. I only have breakfast after I sharpen my claws.
So it's time to get the new scratching post?
Yes, it is. To the cubby buggy. Let's jungly jump to it.
Can't scratch the itch. Morning, Raa Raa. Just a moment. Hooray!
Hello, Ooo Ooo. I need a new scratching post. Do you know where I can find one?
I might do.
Where?
I'll tell you if you scratch my back itch.
Okay, then.
Nearly. Up a bit. Ooh. Oh, thanks, Raa Raa. Okay, there are some big sticks over that way, near Topsy's house.
Thanks, Ooo Ooo. Oh.
That's not how to put a hammock up. It says tie the strings together.
Together? Oh, dear.
Oh, Raa Raa, can you help us?
Sorry, I've got to find my new scratching post.
Oh, this is too hard, even for a clever giraffe. I think we need Crocky and Ooo Ooo to help us.
There are lots of sticks and logs around here, Raa Raa. You'll find a new scratching post in no time. What about that one?
Too thin.
Is that one any good, Raa Raa?
Nope, too short. Look at that! It's just right!
It's very big. How are you going to get it home?
I can move it so I can use it. I can move it on my own.
The problem with doing something so big on your own, Raa Raa, is it can really tire you out.
Whew. I can't move it, so I can't use it. I can't move it on my own.
Yes, it's too heavy, isn't it? What are you going to do now?
I'm going to get some help.
Oh, you're putting the hammock up wrong, Crocky. It looks upside down. Just need to tie this bit. Oh.
Boo! Looks like you're having fun.
Oh, Raa Raa, we can't put the hammock up.
I can do it, so you can use it. I can do it on my own. Ta-da!
Oh, thank you, Raa Raa.
I need some help too. I found a big scratching post over there, but it's too heavy to move. I can't do it, so I can't use it. I can't do it on my own.
We'll help you, Raa Raa. Yes, because you helped us with Topsy's hammock. I'll stay here and read my book if you don't mind.
Okay then. Bye.
Ooo Ooo! Good luck!
Everybody ready? We can move it.
So he can use it. We can move it. Phew. I thought Ooo Ooo was going to help too. Here I am.
Ooh, stop! Stop rolling!
I'm okay.
Ooh Oo's given me an idea. We can roll the log. Roll it to my house.
Rolling would be much easier.
All together, we can roll it so he can use it. We can roll it all together. We can roll it so he can use it. We can roll it all together.
Whew. It's easier to do big things when you've got lots of help. Thanks, everyone.
We're happy to help, Raa Raa. Where's the scratching post?
Follow that scratching post. Look out, Topsy!
Huh? What?
It's okay. The scratching post is fine.
Phew! Never mind your scratching post. What about me and my hammock? Thank you, Raa Raa.
Oh, poor Topsy. It looks like she'll never get to lie in your hammock, Raa Raa.
I've got an idea, but we'll all need to help out.
Ah, that's clever, Raa Raa. Tying the hammock to your scratching post. So, Raa Raa, you've washed, you've brushed your teeth, and you've sharpened your claws. What's next?
It's now time for breakfast. Raa!
Can someone help me, please?
Quiet time. And we all like a bit of quiet, don't we?
Oh, I love this book.
Raa Raa, what are you doing?
I'm going to play chase with Topsy.
But it's quiet time. Topsy's reading. I don't think she wants to be chased.
Of course she does. Topsy loves being chased. Shh.
It's your turn now, Topsy. Come on, chase me.
Yes, chase us.
Come on.
Come on. Yeah, chase us.
Come on, Topsy. Chase us.
I don't want to play chase. I want to read my book.
Why?
Because it's very exciting and funny.
So is chasing. Come on. Raa!
Now, once upon a time, there were 6 little animals living in the jungle. They were the best of friends who loved to go out to play together every day.
Ooo Ooo! I can chase you, then I'll catch you. Watch me chase you. Here I come!
Raa Raa, you can chase me, try and catch me, but you can't catch me. Watch me go! Woohoo! Come on, chase us too.
I'm too fast for you to chase. I can chase anything.
was I? Not again. Ooh, I've nearly finished my book. I wonder what happened at the end. You're making too much noise. Oh, please play chase somewhere else.
Oops. Sorry, Topsy. We'll go over there and play instead.
Thank you.
Come on.
My last page. Look what you made me do. How will I finish my story now?
Sorry, Topsy. I'll get it. I can chase it, then I'll catch it. Watch me chase it.
Catch that page!
Catch that page, Raa Raa. Catch that page.
I can chase it, then I'll catch it. Watch me chase it.
Catch that page.
Ugh. Oh, Mealy!
Catch that page!
Quick, Crocky, grab it.
I can chase it, then I'll catch it. Watch me grab it.
Catch that page!
There it goes. Catch that page.
I see it! I see the page!
Quick, Ooo Ooo, catch it.
I can chase it, then I'll catch it. Watch me snatch it.
Catch that page!
Oh, no. Come on, this way. Quick.
Catch that page!
Quick, chase it, Huffty. Catch that page.
I can chase it, then I'll catch it. Watch me grasp it.
Catch that page!
I found the page.
Hooray!
Achoo!
No! Catch that page.
Wait for me! I can chase it, then I'll catch it. Watch me stop it.
Catch that page!
I can chase it, then we'll catch it. Watch me snatch it.
Won't somebody please catch that page?
We can chase it, then we'll catch it. Watch us chase it.
Well, hey, I caught that page.
Hooray!
Got it! Oh, well done, Raa Raa. Thank you, everyone. Now I can finally finish my book. Ah, That was so good I could read it again. What are you doing?
We want to hear the story too. Can you read it to us?
Of course. Now, once upon a time...
I thought you wanted to play chase, Raa Raa.
Shh,
I'm listening to the story.
Sorry, Raa Raa. Bye-bye. See you again soon.